The final days of the Robert Neulander murder trial begin tomorrow morning with closing arguments.
Then jurors will begin deliberating if the former doctor is guilty of murdering his wife and if they should hold against him that his daughter didn't testify. News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan explains how her absence on the witness stand might speak louder than any testimony she would give in court.
Many mornings, Robert Neulander is escorted through the courthouse hallways by Jenna, the daughter he had with Leslie. Her cooperation is an intentional show of support, but also the primary reason she applies to the missing witness charge. Simply a person with reasonable expectations and willingness to testify, but not called by the lawyers.
The side who is calling the witness doesn't necessarily have to explain why, but obviously you could ask for missing witness charge to kind of plant the seed in the jury's mind that that party did not call the witness for a reason.
It will become part of the judge's formal instructions to jurors after closing arguments. They can choose to hold Jenna's lack of testimony against her father. Defense attorney Nick DiMartino isn't involved in the Neulander case, sometimes defending against the Onondaga County District Attorney. But back in the day, DiMartino worked for Bill Fitzpatrick as an assistant district attorney and had a few of his own retrials.
You try to improve on things that didn't go well the first time.
Neulander's first defense attorney, Ed Menken, called Jenna Neulander to testify in the first trial. But the worth of her direct examination was perhaps overvalued when compared to the risks of cross-examination by the Onondaga County District Attorney. A consideration again this trial.
He's very good, and I'm assuming that the defense was concerned about that. He's excellent. He's very good. He's as good as they come.
As much as Bill Fitzpatrick would probably like to rub in the absence of Jenna Neulander's testimony, closing arguments limit what he can say. He can't hold the defense. He can't hold against them anything they failed to prove. What he has to do is reemphasize what he feels he did prove. Live outside the Onondaga County Courthouse, Andrew Donovan, News Channel 9.